எப்படி செயல்படுவீங்க
Good afternoon, and thank you to all the members of the media for taking the time out to come and join us today. With me I have Mr. Muthukumar, the head of sales and retail operations, and Mr. Shivgurnathan, who is the general manager at our store in Raja Street. We are bringing to the market this diamond laboratory, which is a place where polish it. இப்போ இந்த under the ground என்ன conditions இருக்குது அத ஒரு laboratoryல simulate பண்றது மாதிரி in certain cases even a jeweler அவங்களுக்கும் தெரியாது இந்த மாதிரி, so அவங்க தான் இந்த technology develop பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and they've brought it out. We are the first one.
Camera inside it, so it will show us the actual proportion. It will show us the grade itself, so automatically it will fair grade. Normally grade
in India la pathona, there are in the 4 regions of India there are different type of dye. It is the best in the world. So idile enna irukna, over the last couple of years as the prices and the quality dilution stone la irukudhu, ana quality and to do the cutting and polishing and set it in the jewelry. That is there only for 2% of the diamonds in the world, and the 2% enna, it is the cut of the diamond. The cut is making the biggest difference in the brilliance of the stone. You need this type of the equipment and all to segregate.
But the thing is legal, right? The manual thing.
இது நம்ம எல்லா பிரான்ச்சஸ்ல கொண்டு போவோம். இப்போ இங்க Suraj from Kirtilals. Today we have brought a new concept called Solitaire Lab. As we know, the diamonds are a growing segment wherein more and more people are wanting to own a diamond. So we wanted to bring a campaign to educate the consumer more about what goes into the quality of a diamond. So the Solitaire Lab has various technologies, various equipment that has been used to judge the quality of the diamond. These are first time in India it's come, and we brought it here from the mining companies. So the mining companies have developed this new technology, and we brought it here for the first time. So the customer can bring in their diamonds, and we can evaluate it, and with our experts we will then inform the customer about the quality of the diamonds that they own. And it has been our aim at Kirtilals over 75 years to always maintain the best quality of diamonds, the best possible quality which is given to the customer at the best prices. So this will be a initiative through which we hope that we will be able to deliver a better understanding of that.
How to separate this diamond, natural diamonds? How to use this machine?
Yeah, this machine is usually used only in the manufacturing side. So this has some technologies developed in it it's done after years of research, wherein the man-made lab-grown diamonds are separated from the natural diamond because of the various properties of the stone which are varying slightly. So that's how the natural and the lab-grown is separated.
Actually, mark duplicate diamonds. How to எப்படி நீங்க
அதனால தான் the source from which the diamond is purchased is very important. நம்ம மைண்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு வரோம் குவாலிட்டியை. சில இடம்ல they won't know what is the quality of the diamond what is being bought. So before the diamond is placed in the jewelry itself, the எல்லா evaluation ஆயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஜுவல்லரியில் ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ சர்டிஃபிகேட்டும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டைமண்டில் ஜுவல்லரியில் செட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாலேயே சர்டிஃபிகேட் இருந்ததுன்னா அதுதான் இட் இஸ் த பெட்டர் சர்டிஃபிகேட்.